Yo, we're live.
Hello, guys.
If it were up to me, I would not be streaming right now.
We're-
Alright, Saalty wants us to watch him speedrun Bennet Foddy.
Yeah, then you're gonna speedrun it too, right?
I'm not gonna speedrun it, I've never beaten it, but yeah.
Watch and learn. So, are you like sharing this on the stream?
Yeah.
God damn it. So you see, very fast movements is key.
True.
God damn it. Okay. So, while I'm doing this, I was. What are you working on as of right now?
I was doing Unreal Engine a little bit. I have a 5-hour tutorial that I'm watching.
Oh, by who? It's by like Free Code Camp.
No.
Oh,
I have a 5-hour tutorial on Unreal 5, and then another 4-hour tutorial on how to use Blender in Unreal 5.
I see.
And I'm also working on that video, which I'll try to get out by next week.
Okay.
But we'll see.
What video?
C# tutorial. That time you asked me about lists and arrays. Now I'm
Oh
finally
yeah.
doing it, like 3 months late.
Oh yeah. I remember that. Okay, see the staircase?
Yeah. This is about as far as I've gotten.
Okay, well, here's how you do this.
Yo. Camera. Oh. Oh. Camera. Oh. Camera. Yeah. Couches. Oh.
I'm done with this. Okay, let's watch you play now.
Good speed run.
That was horrible, but yeah.
Alright.
So
Let's go play Bennet Foddy.
let's suck Bennet Fox.
Sus?
No, it's not sus. It's okay.
Oh, okay. Yo.
So I want you to replicate my movements now and see how far you can go.
Um, I don't think that's gonna. No.
Come on, just try. You have to apply the settings.
Oh. Come on. I haven't played this game in forever.
Yeah.
What? Where's the volume? Dude.
There is no master volume.
Yeah. Bennett's just not talking. Bro. bro. Let me try something new. Stop. Go that way. Okay.
The hell? What are you doing, bro?
Boom. Almost. Yeah. Bruh.
This is painful to watch.
Yeah. I'm not a gamer. That's for sure. And I'm proud of it.
Yeah. You're a C-sharp programmer.
If you deleted your homework
Yeah.
the day before it was due, as I have,
Come on, don't you agree?
or if you left your
Yeah.
wallet
The most hours I've ever put on a game is 140.
Yeah.
I'm proud of
That's
that.
way lower than me.
Yeah, I know.
I have like 1,000.
You have
I have
1,000 and a
over
half
3,000 hours.
in CSGO, yeah.
1,900 now in CS:GO.
Yo.
Over like 2,500.
Yo. Bruh.
Some of my classmates have like over 10,000 hours in Rust. Like they have no life.
Yeah.
Do you know what Rust is?
Yes.
It's a horrible toxic game.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll save your progress always, even your mistakes.
He says I'll save your progress always, but there have been a few times when the continue button just doesn't work.
Bruh. I mean, for me it always works, but I don't know.
Yeah.
So, so C sharp. Let's have a friendly debate over C++ and C sharp, real
There's-
quick.
Every programming language has its benefits and its downsides. There is no best programming language. That's my
I
statement.
know. Let's have a let's talk about the bad sides of each language.
Okay. C++
So,
is unfriendly, uneasy to understand.
that's the same as C, just like with a standard library, like
Exactly.
a better one. I mean,
I didn't say
standard
C was
libraries.
good.
I mean, C is like the easiest language to learn, one of the easiest.
No, it's not.
It is.
It really is not.
I mean, are you scared of pointers or something?
Pointers is not the hard part here.
What's the hard part?
The hard part is having no idea what int64_t means to beginners.
That just means 64-bit integer. It's like,
Well,
it's in
yeah.
the name.
But how? What if you don't know what an integer is? What if this is your first programming language?
Well, C isn't like the first programming language,
You
but
said it was the easiest.
switching from yeah, this is easiest, but it's the easiest to learn after you already like have some basic fundamentals. No,
Well, yeah, but any programming language is really easy if you know how that programming language works.
no, like I'm talking about the fundamentals of programming, like not language, like language independent.
You're not going to have any idea what pointers are if you learn Python first.
No, like if you, I mean, yeah, like pointers are not hard to.
They're not, but, well, I mean, it takes a little getting used to.
I mean, they just point to
It's like-
like
Calculus isn't hard.
calculus.
You
yeah,
can learn
I mean,
calculus if you learn all the fundamentals before it.
like yeah, but like programming is not calculus.
It kind of is. It's pretty similar.
No, like most of it is just like basic arithmetic.
Basic arithmetic, yeah, but the ideas of programming are sometimes around the same difficulty level,
I mean, yeah,
like compilers.
like you're not gonna be making compilers when you learn programming.
Not at the start, yeah.
So that's my point. Like it's easy to like learn but hard to master C. That's my point.
Yeah.
be consumed and used in a certain
Also, C is like 90% unsafe.
in the context of
No,
technology.
I wouldn't say it's very unsafe. You just have to know what you're doing.
Well, yeah, but technically speaking, almost everything you do is unsafe in C.
There's always a safe function.
It's kind of hard.
There's always a safe alternative to a function.
Like,
Like if you prefix a function of s, that's like the safe alternative. It's like built in.
well, yeah, but not every single thing you do is going to have a safe function. In fact, like, what if you try, what if you yourself make a function to convert a string to lowercase?
I mean, then if it's unsafe, it's your fault.
Well, yeah, and it's pretty hard not to do that.
It's not C's fault. No, it's not hard to do that. Just like
Do it
subtracting
then.
from cars.
Over time,
I would
Yeah,
probably do it right now.
but pointers are unsafe, aren't they?
No, they're better in C than C++.
They're unsafe, though.
They're not unsafe. You just have to know how to like. You have to know how to make them safe. You have to like know the
Well,
bounds of the point.
by definition, pointers are unsafe.
Yeah, like maybe in C sharp or something. Like, yeah,
No, not in C++. I know they are.
yeah. I mean, like, but if you like correctly use loops and stuff, if you like always check you're in the bounds of the array of the pointer, as every pointer is like a pointer to an array.
Yeah.
So you have to always have to check if you're in the bounds of that. If you are, then you can continue your execution. Or
Well, yeah, just because it's unsafe doesn't mean it's going to kill your computer, but if you know what you're doing, but it's still, technically speaking, unsafe nonetheless.
I mean, yeah, it is unsafe. It is unsafe, but it doesn't have to do anything like with like learning them
True.
base. So like, so you're kind of like yeah.
Hmm.
What about C sharp?
The goods or the bads?
Both.
Okay, the goods, it's easier to understand. The bads, it's
No,
slower.
no.
Yeah.
C sharp is like C, but like way more complicated. It's horrible.
What are you talking about?
Dude, you have like thousands of like specifiers, and it's so horrible.
Make something in C++. I'll be able to make it easier to understand in C#.
Yeah, like with like static, public, void. Like
Yeah.
what beginner is going to learn that easily?
Void means it doesn't have a return type. You do that in C++ too. Public means it's accessible by everything. Static means there's only one of it. It's, it doesn't change. It's static.
I mean, oh my god, the US was our progress, but like, yeah, I mean, that's more than you have to. That's more to learn than C. That's my point.
Well, yeah, but just because it's just because it's more to learn doesn't mean it's better or worse.
Yeah, I mean, I get your points. Like, C sharp.
It's easier to there's more to learn, but it makes more sense.
I mean, yeah, it's like more safe. It's a safe alternative to C and Java, I think. Because like Java is obviously horrible.
It's got its benefits too.
No, it's not. It doesn't.
It does.
Like
Every
Java
lang-
is only for university and stuff, and that's
every
basically it.
language has its benefits. If they didn't, nobody would be using it.
I mean, like C sharp is basically an alternative to Java.
It might be, yeah.
It's like the Java's older bro. I know, like younger brother is better.
Yeah.
It's like Java's pretty obsolete now. Don't really need to use it.
That's true. It does have its downsides.
Like yeah, like sure you can use OpenGL with Java, but like You do that with C sharp as well. You do
Yeah.
everything. So yeah, back to C plus plus. Actually, no. What's the downsides of C sharp?
It is slower. It uses a run. It uses an intermediate language. It doesn't go all the way down to binary
I
or
see.
like machine language. Um, it is. It doesn't. It's not. It's possible, but it's not super easy to use C++ code in C sharp.
I see. So like, and I have one thing to add to that. Um, you know how in C plus plus you can have like you, like some of the C library. Oh my god. Okay, some of the C library functions are very like low level. That's what
Yeah.
C sharp lacks. It's
Yeah. C
very
sharp is not low level.
yeah. So you can have like pointer arithmetic that easily and stuff to like really help your code.
Well, yeah, but just because it's not low level doesn't. That's not always a bad thing.
Like I would say C sharp is more of for like intermediates um, who are willing to code.
High level means it's easier to do. You don't have to do 10 times the effort to get the same result. Because somebody
And
went and
it's
did that 10 times effort before you.
yeah, it's like doing the effort for someone before like f-
Somebody
doing
else
what
went. Somebody else did
yeah
that low level stuff so that you don't have to. I don't think that's a
yeah.
bad thing.
I mean, but that is easier to. That means it's easier to learn high level languages. You don't have to do as much stuff.
Yeah.
So I would say it's not C sharp. It's really more like a beginner's alternative to C plus plus. Like it's a nice little like. So you were in C sharp before C plus plus.
Well,
I
but
think that's what you did
let's apply that to math. If like why aren't you reinventing calculus right now?
because it's
Calculus is pretty
like
high level because Newton did it before you. Newton invented it so you don't have to.
yeah, but like
Or
C
Newton and
plus
like the
plus
two
also
others.
you can also apply that to C plus plus. C plus plus has a lot of like high level and low level features.
Yeah, but it's majority low level. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying it's not a bad thing that something is high level either. Like you can still do a lot of stuff with C sharp. It's not a beginner's language by any means.
I mean, yeah, I mean that's true. I mean, didn't you learn C sharp first in your school?
No, we learned Java. We learned
And
Java
I
at
got
school.
yeah, yeah. So like, and I think Java's a little bit harder than C sharp.
Yeah.
So by that scale, I guess you could say you could learn C sharp as a beginner's language,
Yeah.
but not really C plus plus. So okay, but who the hell cares about the difficulty? You just need like the actual advantages if you like already know the language.
Well, yeah, if you already know it, the difficulty doesn't matter, but when you're learning it, the difficulty comes into play a lot.
I mean, yeah, okay. Then I guess C sharp wins on the difficulty rating.
Yeah.
Good job, nerd. So, um, but speed wise, C plus plus is way faster.
Actually, it's not that huge of a difference. It is faster, but it's not that much faster. It's not like a scale of 10 times. It's not like a scale of 2 times. It's like 1.5 times faster.
Can you fill an array of over 10 million pixels in like a few milliseconds with C sharp
Let's see.
and fill it each with a specific value?
Alright. I'll set it to a random value. Let's do 1 in C++, 1 in C sharp.
Yep, C plus plus you can do memset, which is really really fast.
That's true.
My point.
Memset is fast.
It's been optimized for over 60 years, so I don't think you can beat.
Yeah. Hang on.
think C Sharp is more suitable for like desktop applications that are like GUI based and stuff.
That are what way based?
Like Windows Forms.
Yeah, well, Windows Forms is a Windows thing, but using the console, pretty much any, pretty much anything you write in C Sharp is available on Mac, Linux, and Windows.
Yeah, because it's on a VM. That's why.
Well, no, because the runtime works for all of them.
I mean, yeah, because it's on a VM. You
Yeah,
install the C Sharp VM or something like that. You can just run it in. But yeah, with C++, you have to sacrifice more speed for less portability.
yeah.
But you know what? Sometimes I like that speed. I want to try making like a software rasterizer and like C Sharp.
I'm working on that. I'm gonna port OpenCV to C Sharp.
What?
I'm gonna port OpenCV to C Sharp
Wow.
because it's not. Well, I mean, I guess I don't have to. MGU's already done it.
Then like no, I'm talking like software rasterizer, like single threaded on the CPU because C Sharp is a stupid single threaded language.
That you're very wrong there.
You can't do GPU stuff with C Sharp unless you like use like OpenGL or something.
You can't do GPU stuff in C++ without CUDA.
Yeah, but there's no library to do GPU stuff on C Sharp. Unless you do like those graphics libraries, but that's cheating.
Well,
Like
yeah.
general purpose GPU programming, you can't do that on C Sharp.
You can't do that in C++ either.
You can for CUDA. CUDA
Without-
is general purpose.
CUDA is a different language, technically speaking.
No, it's basically C++ but with added functionality. That's all
Yeah,
it is.
exactly.
No, like it's C++, but it just allows you to do like GPU stuff.
Yeah.
Like
There is CUDA for C Sharp. We saw that before.
yeah, but like C Sharp can be used for like web servers and stuff. Pretty good.
You can do multi-threaded CPU stuff in C Sharp.
Multi-threaded.
Not GPU without a library, but with CPU you can do that built in.
I mean, yeah, but like, what you're doing right now in C++ in your project, you're not using memset, which I do not do. I'm using HPC SDT.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Yeah, that I agree with. You can do those, but like, not more. And anyways, use memset instead. Like, I don't want like random values. Just like do like one value, and that's it.
Okay, we'll do both. We'll do one test where we set it to a single value, one test where we set it to a random value.
Okay, well, for the single value, you still use memset.
Yeah.
And you only can, don't do like the random one. Like it's gonna be like.
Nah, we'll do it because that's something that we're gonna have to do at some point. Anywhere in computers, you're not gonna have a list with more than just one item.
I mean, for my software rasterizer, I basically did do this. So like, I don't know what your point.
Well, yeah, but with a software rasterizer, you still have to manage each individual item.
You don't if you know.
If you're not doing it, your library is doing it.
What?
Explain to me how you can change the list. Explain to me how you can change the pixels on the screen without changing each pixel.
Using memset to do it like in parallel.
But that's setting it to one value.
Yeah, you don't need more than that.
So wait, you're saying that every single pixel is the same color?
No, see, it's a lot of graphics. It's like really graphicsy stuff. Like in it's like a lot of technical stuff, but
Let's go to Google.
each
Let's go to
each
Google.
pix no like listen to me, like each pixel um has a value like an ID. For that ID you can find the triangle.
Okay.
And then you like run over it with a fragment shader.
But how do you change the pixel?
How do you change the pixel? With the fragment shader.
Yeah, there you go. The fragment shader is doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like, you're only talking about, like, one stage, not, like, multiple stages.
Yeah, but my point is, at some point, you're going to have to change each pixel. So we're just doing that single-threaded on the CPU instead of the GPU multi-threaded, which is what OpenGL does.
What?
Well, whatever.
I mean, I mean, yeah, I guess you can see your...
My point is that we have to change each individual value at some point, so we'll run a test for it.
Alright, so, in for C Sharp, you don't have memset.
Yes, although there might be something in here. Oh, cool.
I bet array.fill will not work that well.
It'll still be faster than setting each individual value.
Yeah, but, like, still it'll be slower. That's what we were talking about. So, like,
Yeah, it'll be slower here. Well, maybe, but let's see by how much.
yep.
Actually, let's not cache this. Let's make it a constant.
Let's do 1 billion, actually.
We'll stick with 10 million for now. If it's too fast, then we'll increase it.
Okay. I just think this like will be too fast to see the difference.
Yeah, if it's too fast, then we'll increase it.
Okay. Oh, come on, nerd. Run it.
Oh, wait, let me build release.
Always put in release mode. Release mode does some magic stuff.
True.
By the way, for N sharp, I'm gonna start working on it again soon.
Alright.
I'll add a GPU to support with as well, so it'd be pretty cool to run natively on the GPU.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to increase it.
Okay, no, that's 10 billion. That's gonna be like run out of memory.
True, true. We'll set it to 2 billion.
Actually, no, you don't need to do integers. Just do like characters. So like cars.
What do you mean?
Because memset in C++ only works for characters, because that's the way it fills it. So it doesn't even matter using int. So instead of doing int stuff, do car stuff.
Okay, wait, hang on. 2,000 million billion. What?
Do car. I know how to fix
That's
that.
weird.
You run out of stack space. So what I want you to do?
Well, it's not an error anymore.
No, it is still an error. If you go back to the C++ file, imagine using byte. Imagine.
Moments. Oh, wait, this needs to be a byte.
At least you got like C-style casts, which I like. They're so clean.
Yeah. There.
So, no, go back to your C++ thing. You need to do car stuff. Do car pointer stuff
Okay.
equals new car, and then the size. Not it can bracket.
Oh, okay.
This one I'll allocate it on the heap.
Alright. This is 2 billion. This is 2 billion. Okay. Alright, like a second. Let me do another test real quick. Oh wait, oop, I forgot to start my watch. Point 7.
Alright. Now C, C++.
Alright.
Do it.
Point
C.
3. That is a
Way faster.
2.25 times difference.
Yeah, C like way faster.
That's not 10.
What?
That's not 10 times faster.
Yeah, but, like, what did I ever say it has to be like 10 times faster? Whoever
I
said
mean, you kind of implied it. You said C++ was way faster.
2 times is way faster. Like,
If I have 1,000,000 balls, and you have 2,000,000 balls, is that way more than me?
like, yeah, because I have like 2 times more than you. It's like,
But like,
alright.
if we have this, if that's me, whatever. I don't think 2 times is more than 10 times. Or is, what? Okay, no.
Okay.
I don't think 2 times is considered way more.
But when you write in very performance critical applications, it really matters.
That's true.
So like, you cannot. Like, it's.
Oh, wait.
I would say just faster would be like 1.2 times faster or something like that.
Yeah, well, it depends. It depends on the scenario.
Yeah. Depends on like context.
Yeah.
So now let's do it using like the random values.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
see
what we're
what's
doing.
still- In fact, let me write the C++ program.
Hang on.
Actually, wait, no, you can just write it. I'm too late.
Moments. Can I tell it to go next byte? Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Okay, now we do the C++. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, can I apply indexing to a character pointer?
Okay, so, I mean,
Or am I gonna have to
right
go...
now is very unoptimized.
Am I gonna have to do this? And then go...
Yeah, that's much faster.
Okay. Okay. C#.
See,
Oh, that was faster than I thought, to be honest. Let's try it again. 0.8 seconds.
but I think the problem is that you're making a random function generate ints, and the C sharp like next bytes, I think only like generates random numbers the size of cars, which is way fast.
That's true. So, give me a random function that just bytes.
I think you can do Well, so
Or we could do
um,
ints instead.
yeah, do it.
All right. Bruh, you lied. Okay. So, let's switch here. Okay, so now we're gonna have to do both because I don't have something to fill.
Yep.
Oh, all right. We'll turn it back down to 2 million.
Okay.
I'm surprised that didn't throw a Stack Overflow exception. Ah, great.
Didn't throw a stack overflow because we're doing it on the heap, not the stack.
True. Wait, do we have an... Oh, I have an overflow exception, though.
Let's see.
Oh, wait, that's not the right thing. I probably have an out-of-memory one, too. Alright. Now we open the second one. Oh, oops, sorry, Gio, I missed your message. We should play Jackbox at some point? Yeah. I'll put that as a soon on, like, the stream Excel spreadsheet. Okay. Oops. Start. Oh.
Just do like a timer.
Okay. Alright. Boop. 20.5 milliseconds.
Bruh, it's so slow.
Didn't you say you could do this in 30 milliseconds? Earlier?
No, it didn't say that. Bro, what do you think I'm saying this stuff, bro? I'm not.
Let's go back to the stream then. Actually, I don't want to watch through the whole 30-minute thing. But you did say that. And
I
whatever
didn't,
the... I'll find the
just
point.
use time. Just use like clock instead of that stupid chrono library that's super outdated.
Time uses this. How do I use this?
No, use clock.
Oh, wait. No.
Do float t equals clock. No, put that outside, like inside the actual like
Oh, yeah.
looping, so like the memory allocation. that's even worse.
What?
Put it like where the looping is, so it doesn't count to memory allocation.
But that's what I'm doing here too.
Wait, what?
This is where I
Alright.
start.
Yes, you'll count that too. Alright.
So this is the start, right?
Yeah.
Wait, no, I did that. I did that after the finished. Okay.
Then do count. Yeah.
Wait, I want to track milliseconds though.
It
Fuck.
is going to be milliseconds. Do divided by clocks underscore per underscore second.
Can I store it in an int then though?
No,
I want floats are imprecise.
they're precise enough. They're like they store seven
We'll do-
seven digits.
We'll do doubles.
No, that's going to be like the like precision that the clock uses like floats. So just do floats.
All right. So you want n minus start what?
Divided by clocks underscore per underscore second.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, now just run.
That's seconds. 46 milliseconds.
I see. I see. Alright, so I guess random number generation in C# is better.
Yeah.
Just interesting.
Like I said, all programming languages have their upsides and their downsides.
Yeah. So
Also, you want to see how to do multi-threading in C#?
that nah, I want to see like actually I want to see you do a challenge. Are you up for a challenge?
Sure. Also, here you go. There's your multi-thread. Whatever you do here is going to be run on a different CPU thread.
Oh, that's pretty convenient. But wait. Alright. So I mean, yeah, that is pretty easy. But like, okay. But my challenge is make a quick, um, make a quick, software rasterizer in C#. Like by quick I mean like make it quick, not like make it like runtime quick.
Oh, okay.
So I want you like to no external libraries.
You can't do that.
OpenCV is not supposed for the it's not for the staff.
Then how do you make a rasterizer?
You use the console.
Oh, the console.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Hang on. No, don't delete that. Okay. Then. I'm just gonna do spheres.
That's not rasterizing.
What do you mean? I don't know how to do triangles. Give me the triangle formula.
I'll tell you how to do the triangle. I'll tell you. For now, just doing the basic fundamentals for it. Oh, stop doing the sphere! Stop! No, don't waste your time on the sphere.
I haven't bothered working about triangles yet.
No, I will show you how to do triangles real quick. So the public triangle, what you'll need is 3 vertices in it.
Well, yeah.
and that's basically it.
Can I use my library? Can I use NerdSTF?
Yeah, sure. Don't make it way
Okay.
fast.
Yeah, because now I don't have to make this.
Wow, NerdCF is on NuGet. Wow. 417 down.
Yeah, I don't know why. Okay.
Dude, that's pretty good.
That can go away. That can go away. Okay. Okay, so we want... it needs to be static. Alright.
You need to add barycentric coordinates to NerdCF.
I need what?
Barycentric coordinates.
What are barycentric coordinates?
They are coordinates specifically made for a triangle.
Okay.
They're
Alright,
the
guys.
three. Yeah.
Coordinate system in which the location is specified by reference to the simplex. Simplex is... Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll add those at some point.
I found a 2-4 gun.
Goblin.
Goblin. Oh, I
Real.
misread that. Real. Okay, well, you'll be using a very quick algorithm. So, first you want to calculate, just do like one triangle for now.
Okay.
So you get like real quick. So one triangle, initialize it to like some vertices, whatever you want. No, like the actual coordinate.
I know. Wait, no. Okay.
Okay, so now we'll do some like slopes. So we can calculate the. Okay, so what you need to do is.
Do you need to know the lines? Because I already have them made.
Oh. I see. So like actually yeah, you need to know like the slopes of those lines, but okay. So
Ooh, slope to a line is something I should probably add. I'm surprised I didn't do that already. I should have.
yeah.
Meh, whatever.
Yeah, so calculate the slope of the line of you need to start the vertices vertically.
I need to what the vertices vertically?
Sort them vertically by the y coordinate.
Oh, okay.
So it needs to be like from a descending order, the vertices.
Okay.
You can sort them manually, just do it manually. Don't waste your time on like sorting stuff.
I'm just gonna... Oh, that needs to be a list. Right. Yeah, we'll just sort them manually.
Yeah. Notice you have it's like pretty good. I actually like.
Thank you, sir. So, vertically. So you want the bigger numbers to be first or last?
Descending order. Descending order.
Descending. Okay. Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so now the fun thing is you want to okay, so now you want to loop through you need to make a loop, a for loop, which will initialize at the bottom at the most topmost y coordinate.
At the topmost Y. Okay.
and then
Go down to the lowest.
yeah. So I is over equals to then yeah. So now we're looking for the entire triangle's like scan lines. Now, no, now we need to do this. So I'll go straight for my at last engine code. I love at last engine. Doesn't everyone? Um, so float s0 equals the first vertices x coordinate minus the last vertices x coordinate, and all that divided the by the same thing except for y coordinate.
Wait, what? Is this calculating the slope?
Yeah.
Okay.
Calculating the slope. Yeah. So
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2, so that'll be... Oh, okay. Try dot... Wait, so which two vertices do you want the slope for?
I'll just share my
Okay.
my last engine code. Just close source, so I won't show too much.
I won't show it on stream.
Okay.
So, oh, okay, so the first vert and the last vert slope. Okay.
Yeah, and then like do like the if statement, else, and those.
Alright, just keep that up for a little bit. Let me just... Slope equals... Okay. Try 0 dot position dot x minus... Try 2 dot position dot x divided by... Wait, isn't the y over the x, not the x over the y?
Follow along with me here. This works.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yes, this is supposed to be inverse slope.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now we do the if statements. If b, what is b?
B is the current y coordinate that we are scanning through. So do
Okay.
like the
I. Okay, then we go...
okay.
Dingus.
Wait 1 second. That's a complete y. What I said.
Yo.
Okay. Okay. So look here.
Okay. We can simplify that to a conditional. Okay. S1 equals I is greater than try 1 dot position dot y. If so, then we go... Wait, that needs to be a float. Then we go... Okay. V0 minus number 1 over the y's. Okay. Otherwise, wait. 2 and 1. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, subtraction, not division. And there we go. Well, do I continue after the if statement?
I don't think so. So like,
Okay.
okay. Now we got your slopes. Now we want to Okay. So now initialize a variable called x1 to be equal to the first vertices x coordinate plus I minus the the first vertices y coordinate times the first slope. I have it up on my screen, though.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
And now
an
this
integer?
for x.
Do you want me to round down?
Yeah,
Okay.
int x2 equals. I mean,
Okay, you want me to do the same thing for x2?
yeah, except the second vertex and the second slope.
Okay.
You messed up, right? Yeah. So, now you have your 2x coordinates. Now you can just, what you can do is loop through x1 to x2. Yep. Do j.
Oh, yeah.
It goes I, j, k, right?
Yeah.
So, now you just set the pixels at I, j.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna need to make a buffer of console colors. I'm gonna make the screen 10 by 10.
Perfect.
Oh wait, this
I
needs.
like.
Let me just. There. Wait, no. Wait, that's an int 2? Alright.
So now, yeah. So now just do your magic at IJ, set it to whatever you want. I challenge you to make a Christmas theme.
So red and green?
Yes.
Alright. So first, let me just set the background color.
I like it. So, what is this for?
What?
What is this like for?
This is setting the background color.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, now let's make a function.
No, like make that triangle with the color. That's what I meant to say.
Oh! Oh, okay. Then,
Yeah, you can do like a module, like.
yeah, we'll go. So it's I times j plus j, right? To
No,
get.
just do like J modulo 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now we just display the buffer with the size. Wait, what did I call it? Oh. No, I need to go X first.
Int plus plus.
It auto-corrected I to int.
Why did you do I?
Because I'm so used to typing for loops with the variable I.
Oh yeah, okay, I get you. You can do like dot right 0xGB.
Write 0xdb.
Yeah, 0xGB. GB.
What is
Yep.
that?
That's like a fully like drawn pixel.
Oh, okay. Wait, I think I hear it. Wait, no, this one. Oops, not Bennet Foddy. There.
Alright. That's pretty handy. So,
Alright, let's see if it works first try.
let's go.
Line
And
11.
then-
11. Are you sure that's right? I don't believe you. Line 11. What the hell do you mean? Index out of range exception. Why? I'm not doing anything with that. Whatever. We'll just... X equals... No, we'll go... Length equals 10. Width equals 10. Length... Width. That's width. This is length.
We're swapping it around.
No, because I'm doing Y here and X here. X is length, Y is
not
width. Yeah, it is.
Okay. So.
It's usually width and height, to be honest. But I'm doing length and width here.
I see. So you don't why don't you make it like a constant outside of the main function?
I could.
I see. I mean, yeah, because you're just lazy like me.
Yeah. Okay, so it's not... What the hell? What is it, line 11? What are you talking about? What are you... Hello?
Show me the code.
Program CS at line 11. There is nothing at line 11 that would cause that.
Go down. Yes.
Let me...
Here.
Wait, did I forget to rebuild? No. Let's add some breakpoints. What? I haven't even hit the first breakpoint. What are you talking about?
What the hell?
Is NerdSTF that broken? I'm gonna fix it.
Yeah, I think it's like a NerdSTF problem.
I... I'm not sure. I'll get this fixed. If it is my problem, then I'll fix it by the time the next update comes out.
Alright, but let's see if like it's still your code that's the problem.
Yeah, let's... I mean, it's not surprising. I'm gonna be honest. I have not tested anything in it
Yeah.
because I didn't have a way to do it. Now I do, but I didn't at the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nerdist TF. It's you know you always gotta test it.
Yeah.
Gotta run those unit tests.
Now, constructor. This doesn't need a Z component.
That looks oddly like C++.
Yeah. They are pretty similar.
Yeah.
Okay. So, now we go triangle. I'm trying to figure out what would happen before anything loads. Like,
Nerdist TF, because you imported it before anything loads.
Well, yeah, but I'm thinking what in NerdSTF loads that could cause an index failure.
Yeah. Maybe it's like maybe it's like actual like your like code problem or
Well, I don't know. I don't know what would cause it before literally anything happens, but I don't know.
yeah, it's like a header only library, right?
Well, it's not. It Let's 0 goes to A, 1 goes to B. The only thing that would cause that is like a static constructor. But I don't think I've done any of those. I don't know. I'll check.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not NerdSTF and it's just this. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait. I can do this in C# too? Nah, I can't. Okay. Alright. So now we just get rid of all the positions.
Yeah, like try to make your library as like easy to type as possible. Like don't like put very long variable names or member variable.
Well, yeah, I don't do that.
Like dot position.
That's
like,
true, but that's because I made the vertice have a float 3 as its position. I could just make it derive from that instead. I'll probably do that.
Yeah, just do that.
Cannot explicitly convert double to int. It's floor, but it returns a double. What the hell? Okay. There we go. Oops.
Okay. What is clean solution?
It just deletes all the files.
Oh damn.
Hello. Where's the... Oh. It's not the library. Let's go. Line 8.
Maybe it's something in your like public static class program.
Maybe it's this? It says 8, but maybe it means it's the one after it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means this is a 2D array. No, it's not. Because we tested that. It happens before... What the hell? Maybe I just have to make a new program. Maybe it's doomed. Yeah. It has triggered 0 breakpoints yet. Line... Yeah. Continue. Oh, and it crashed.
What the hell?
What
man?
the hell?
Maybe like copy and paste everything and just put it in a separate, like a new file.
Yeah. Actually, I have to go in a few minutes.
Oh, alright, well,
Wait, I just...
I actually got like 14 minutes in getting over it yesterday.
Yo.
Yep. Correct.
Yes. Oops. Okay. Okay. It's not something two, it's something... No, it is something two. Okay. Okay. Now I need triangle. Now vert.
Man, this doesn't work. Like, I'm calling C# the worst language.
Bro, what? Line 33 this time. Aha!
No, it's simply useful.
It's a different one.
Oh, I think it's like, you have to, like, I think it's overflowing. Because, like, okay, you need to, like, do int j equals, oh yeah, you need to, like, make it, like, more safe, but, like, putting, like clamping those two x coordinates between 0 and 10.
Alright.
So that it will never over.
I don't think clamp is a function. No, it is. That's cool. 0, 10. Zero, 10. Wait, no, but it can't. It has to be less than 10. Inclusive. Okay, yeah. A
We have a triangle, boy.
triangle.
Yeah, make it like a higher buffer size than like you want this.
All right.
Do 100 by 100.
I don't know if 100. I don't think 100 lines will fit on my screen.
It will just resize the console window.
No, I mean.
Oh, make the triangle big.
Hang on. Yeah, no, it's not gonna. It's not gonna fit. This is full screen.
You can just scroll, you know.
Well, yeah. This is like 20. Okay. So.
Just do like, yep. Maybe you forgot some. Maybe you forgot like a custom. Um,
Oh.
oh yeah, yeah. Wait, now I'll do it.
Oh. Hmm.
Um, there has to be something wrong. Maybe you forgot the rebuild.
No, it won't let me run without building.
Oh. I think the problem.
Let's just try 20 by 20.
Okay.
3.
Do it like times 5.
I'm just doubling it.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
So that works.
last thing I want you to do is make a triangle that fills up half of the screen. So make each of the 3 vertices like 3 corners of the screen.
All right. So if I have a screen that goes from 0 to 0, oh wait, from 0 to 10, or 0 to 20, and I have there.
Line them up with the corners. It's like such an ugly triangle.
I know, I'm gonna round it. Okay.
No.
So-
Like, do like one at one. Like, do a blue point at the top left.
Oh, you just want this? This is kind of basic though.
All right, fine. Move the green point somewhere fun. Yes, that's good.
Okay. 0, 0, 0, 20, or 0, 19. Okay. 0, 0. 0, 19. And 16, 13.
Don't forget to sort
Oh, right.
ascending order.
Oh, wait, I need to
Those
update
work.
this.
Yep.
From 19 to 0.
That's not.
Triangle, yeah.
Did you sort it correctly? Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Well, okay. Let's not like carry on the stream way too long because you had to go. I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was a pretty nice stream. We discussed programming.
Yep, we definitely played Getting Over It for the majority of the stream. Yep, 100%.
Definitely
Yeah,
Streamlab.
yep.
Saalty was here.
Alright,
Type Saalty.
I'll see you guys later.
I have a special request.
Special request declined.
No, I do like Saalty was here on the thing.
There.
Alright, see you guys. Peace!
Goodbye! Alright, I left the VC. See you guys. Oh wait, before that. So, Nerd STF was not the problem. But, something tells me there's gonna be a bunch of stuff in Nerd STF that is a problem. So I'm gonna fix that soon. Actually, I think not this update that's coming out. I think what am I doing 2.4 already? I think I'm doing 2.4. Not 2.4, but 2.4.1. I'm gonna go through every single function, and I'm just gonna make sure it all works. You're probably gonna see a ton of like made blah 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 actually work in the changelog. But yeah,